Have you ever wondered why sometimes your golf swing feels powerful and crisp, yet other times it just feels a little bit off, even when you try to do everything right? It can be so frustrating to feel like you are leaving distance on the table. Well, here is the clear answer. Yes, initial weight distribution is incredibly important for generating true golf power. It truly sets the stage for every part of your swing that follows, acting as the bedrock for a strong and effective movement. When you start correctly, you enable your body to perform at its best. The why behind this is fascinating and fundamental to a great swing. Think of it like this. All the power you generate in your golf swing comes from the ground up, not just from your arms or shoulders. This concept is called ground reaction forces. When your weight is distributed properly at setup, it allows you to effectively push into the ground, creating the energy that then travels up through your legs, hips, torso, and finally to the club head. If your weight is off balance, even slightly, you are essentially leaking power from the very beginning. You cannot efficiently coil your body on the backswing or uncoil it powerfully on the downswing, which means less clubhead speed and less distance on your shots. It is all about setting up that perfect kinetic chain reaction. So, how can you make sure your initial weight distribution is helping you, not hindering you? For most iron shots, a good starting point is an even 50-50 weight distribution between your lead and trail feet. Imagine standing on a bathroom scale with each foot. You would want the numbers to be roughly equal. For a driver, because you want to hit slightly up on the ball, a tiny bias towards your trail foot, perhaps 60% on the trail foot and 40% on the lead foot, can be beneficial. However, the key is to feel stable and grounded, not rigid. You want to feel the pressure evenly spread across the balls of your feet, with a slight flex in your knees, ready to move. This ready position allows your body to rotate freely and powerfully. Many golfers, especially when starting out, might unconsciously lean too much on their lead side or their trail side, or even stand too upright, which can severely limit their ability to rotate fully and transfer energy efficiently. Pros on to spend an enormous amount of time perfecting their setup because they understand that the power sequence begins even before the club moves. It is an insider tip that distinguishes consistent power hitters. By taking just a moment to check your balance before you begin your swing, you are essentially giving yourself a massive head start on generating power. It is about creating a solid foundation for explosive energy releases. Ultimately, by mastering a balanced and stable initial weight distribution, you are truly unlocking your body's natural power potential. This focus on a proper starting point ensures that every ounce of effort you put into your swing translates into maximum clubhead speed and impressive distance. It will lead to more consistent, more powerful, and ultimately more enjoyable golf shots, helping you reach your full potential on the course.